Yeah. See, I finished my MBA from
Mm-hmm.
MBA HR,
Okay.
and at present I'm working as a HR manager in a staffing solution company.
Oh, okay. That's great. So you have matlab no, knowledge, good knowledge of HCM background, basically domain knowledge.
Yes, because I'm in the like recruitment selection onboarding process only.
Mm-hmm.
I little bit knowledge about payroll. That's
Oh,
it.
okay,
More I don't have any other knowledge.
okay, no problem. So basically, I myself is Arpan Gaur, and I have around 5+ years of experience in SAP HCM configuration consultant experience, and 3+years, 3 to 5 years of experience in between success factors, and I have overall I have total training experience of 3+ years basically. So I'll be taking you through the session of success factors right now, demo session. So shall we continue?
Yes, yes. Sure.
Okay, great. So basically, let me just open this. So basically, success factors, how it works on cloud. Basically, do you know the basic understanding of success factors? Anybody?
Actually, little bit I don't have that much of knowledge about this.
Oh, okay. Sure, not a problem. So, success factors is basically a SAP company solutions where it has been occupied. It has been acquired by SAP around 2010. It's very old, but right now it's old 10 years, a decade ago. But initially the success factor started with the just for the tool of assessing the employees, for PMGM and performance management, appraisal management. There was only one module basically when it started, but right now there are so many modules in the success factors, and it's being booming like anything. So success factors is a works on the SaaS solution